Welcome to AI Unfiltered, the podcast where we decode the digital age. I'm your host, Noelia.
And I'm Dominic. It's great to be here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. It's not just a buzzword anymore, is it?
Not at all. Think about it, Dominic. Have you ever stopped to consider the invisible force that recommends your next movie, helps you navigate your commute, or even assists in medical diagnoses? That's AI in action.
Precisely. It's no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, and it's reshaping our world in ways both profound and subtle. When we say AI, we're not just talking about sentient robots from the movies. We're discussing complex algorithms that can learn, reason, and even create.
That's a crucial distinction. From the smart assistant in your phone to sophisticated systems that detect diseases earlier than ever before, AI is becoming the bedrock of modern innovation. But with this rapid advancement comes a lot of questions and, frankly, a lot of misconceptions.
Absolutely. One of the biggest fears is about jobs. Will AI replace us? The narrative is often one of displacement, but the reality is more nuanced. Many experts believe it's about transformation, not replacement. New roles will be created, roles that require human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, skills that AI can't replicate.
I agree. It's about augmentation. Think of AI as a tool that can handle repetitive, data-heavy tasks, freeing up humans to focus on strategic and creative endeavors. In medicine, for example, AI can analyze thousands of medical images in minutes, but it's the doctor who makes the final diagnosis and communicates with the patient.
And what about ethics? That's another huge area of concern. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? The data we train these models on can reflect societal biases, and if we're not careful, AI can perpetuate and even amplify them.
That's why regulation and ethical guidelines are so important. We need transparency in how these algorithms work and accountability when they make mistakes. It's a global conversation that involves not just tech companies, but governments, academics, and all of us.
So, understanding AI isn't just for programmers or engineers anymore. It's for everyone. Its impact on our jobs, our society, and our future is undeniable.
That's a great point. And this touches on something I find fascinating: AI's role in creativity. We're seeing AI generate art, compose music, and write poetry. Some find it thrilling, others see it as a threat to human expression. What are your thoughts, Dominic?
It's a classic case of a new tool disrupting a traditional field. I think it forces us to reconsider what creativity is. Is it the final product, or the process and intent behind it? It also opens up a legal minefield regarding copyright and ownership. If an AI creates a masterpiece, who owns it? The programmer, the user who provided the prompt, or no one at all? That is perhaps one of the most significant hurdles for the widespread, responsible adoption of AI. The field of explainable AI, or XAI, is working to solve this, to make models more transparent. For high-stakes sectors like healthcare, finance, and justice, it's not just desirable. It's an absolute necessity. A life or death decision cannot be based on an answer from an opaque, unknowable system. You're absolutely right. It's a serious concern, and one the industry is starting to address more publicly. There's a growing movement towards green AI, which focuses on creating more efficient algorithms and using hardware that consumes less power. It's about finding a balance between pushing the boundaries of what's possible and ensuring that progress is sustainable for our planet.
And there's another hidden cost we don't often discuss: the environmental impact. Training these enormous language models requires a staggering amount of computational power, which in turn consumes vast amounts of energy and contributes to carbon emissions. It's a side of AI that's far from the clean digital image it often has. So we have ethical, legal, and environmental challenges. Looking ahead, what do you make of the pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI? The idea of a machine that can understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. Is that the ultimate goal? And how close are we?
It's a classic case of a new tool disrupting a traditional field. I think it forces us to reconsider what creativity is. Is it the final product, or the process and intent behind it? It also opens up a legal minefield regarding copyright and ownership. If an AI creates a masterpiece, who owns it? The programmer? The user who provided the prompt? Or no one at all? AGI is the holy grail for many researchers, but opinions on its feasibility are wildly divergent. Some prominent figures in the field believe we could see it within the next decade, while others argue it's centuries away, if possible at all. What's crucial, regardless of the timeline, is that we prioritize safety research. The development of something so potentially powerful requires unprecedented caution and global cooperation.
Exactly. The ethical and legal frameworks are struggling to keep up with the technology. This brings up the black box problem. Many advanced AI models, particularly in deep learning, are so complex that even their creators don't fully understand how they arrive at a specific decision. How can we trust an AI's medical diagnosis or loan application decision if we can't get a clear explanation?
I think the key is to focus on lifelong learning and to cultivate our uniquely human skills. Critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and emotional intelligence will become more valuable than ever. Rather than fearing AI, we should learn to work alongside it. Understand its basic principles, use AI tools to enhance your work, and stay curious. The future belongs to those who can adapt.